Welcome to PNCB tutorial. We have bottle specimen Upantia. Upantia ki hoy xerophytic plant hoy. Okay, grows in desert region. Dry region ot grow hoy. Tar pisot Upantia, these are the spine. Okay, and this is phylloclade. Spine are modified leaf. Okay, spine ki hoy modified leaf hoy aru phylloclade ki hoy modified stem modified into phylloclade. Tar pisot RQ value of Upantia. RQ means respiratory quotient value. Respiratory quotient mane oxygen kiman absorb korise aru carbon dioxide kiman release korise. So RQ value is 0 for Upantia. Thank you.